Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautified. Today, let's get into knowing about one of the most versatile and powerful essential oils out there, rosemary oil. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to make this a staple in your home. But first, please press the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Let's start then. Rosemary oil is packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and antimicrobial properties, making it a true source of power for your health and beauty routines. Moving on to the benefits of rosemary oil, starting with one of its most popular uses, hair and scalp health. One of the most common types of hair loss is androgenetic alopecia, better known as male pattern baldness, though it can also affect females. Rosemary oil is famous for promoting hair growth. When mixed with other oils, such as thyme and lavender oil, rosemary oil may also help reduce hair loss in those with alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition that causes hair loss. Studies suggest it helps stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which nourishes hair follicles. It also prevents dandruff and soothes an itchy scalp. If you want your hair to appear healthier and shinier, rosemary oil helps with that too. Next, skin care. Rosemary essential oil has antibacterial properties that can help reduce acne-causing bacteria on the skin. Its non-comedogenic nature makes it less likely to clog pores, aiding in keeping them clear. This combination may help reduce breakouts and support healthier skin. Rosemary oil is a natural antioxidant, which means it safeguards the skin against harmful elements like free radicals that can harm the skin cells. These free radicals can cause fine lines and skin laxity. When rosemary oil is used topically or consumed in the form of tea, it can prevent premature aging signs. It also tones and hydrates the skin, giving it a radiant glow. This oil can prevent and remove the appearance of under-eye bags that look puffy and swollen by getting rid of fluid retention and also easing congestion. If you are dealing with conditions like rosacea or eczema, rosemary essential oil may provide relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe redness and irritation associated with these conditions. Rosemary essential oil may help remove cellulite, often appearing on the hips, thighs, abdomen, or buttocks. It does so by stimulating lymphatic circulation, which supports the body's natural detoxification processes. By encouraging the removal of toxins and promoting healthy blood flow, rosemary oil can contribute to smoother-looking skin. Number 3. Mental and cognitive health. Rosemary oil improves memory and concentration, making it perfect for work or study sessions. Inhaling rosemary oil also reduces stress and anxiety, helping you feel calm and balanced. Inhaling rosemary oil can increase cognitive function, and continuous intake of rosemary extracts can improve mood states. Then pain relief. It's great for soothing sore muscles, joint pain, and even menstrual cramps, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Applied to the temples, it can also help alleviate tension headaches. Rosemary oil can help with pain management in rheumatic diseases like fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, and osteoarthritis. Next, respiratory health. Rosemary oil clears up blocked sinuses and helps with colds, coughs, and even allergies. Then, digestive aid. It's a natural remedy for indigestion, bloating, and cramps when applied topically with a carrier oil. Lastly, immune system support. Packed with antioxidants, it boosts your immune system. Rosemary oil can help strengthen the body's natural defenses against infections and diseases. Now that we know the amazing benefits, let's talk about how you can use rosemary oil to enhance your daily life. For hair care, you can start with a scalp massage for hair growth. Mix 3 to 4 drops of rosemary oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut or jojoba oil. Massage it into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes, then leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight before washing. Another option is a DIY hair rinse. Add 5 drops of rosemary oil to a liter of water. Use this as a final rinse after shampooing for a healthy scalp. You can also infuse your shampoo. Mix 5 to 6 drops into your shampoo or conditioner for consistent benefits. Moving on to skincare, you can use rosemary oil as a spot treatment for acne. Combine 1 drop of rosemary oil with a teaspoon of aloe vera gel and apply it to acne-prone areas. For an anti-aging serum, mix 2 drops of rosemary oil with rosehip oil and apply it as a night serum. For a face steam, add 3 to 4 drops to a bowl of hot water and steam your face for a deep cleanse. In aromatherapy, you can diffuse rosemary oil for mental clarity. Add 5 drops to a diffuser to improve focus and boost your mood. Combine it with peppermint or lemon oil for extra energy. For stress relief inhalation, rub 1 to 2 drops between your palms, cup them over your nose, and inhale deeply. For pain relief, you can make a massage oil. Combine 5 drops of rosemary oil with 2 tablespoons of carrier oil and massage it into sore muscles. Or add 10 drops to a warm bath with a cup of Epsom salts for full body relaxation. For respiratory health, try steam inhalation. Add 4 to 5 drops to a bowl of steaming water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale deeply for sinus relief. You can also make a chest rub. Mix 2 drops of rosemary oil with eucalyptus oil and apply it to your chest. As a digestive aid, combine 3 drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil and massage it onto your abdomen to relieve bloating. For immune support, make a DIY immune spray. Mix 10 drops of rosemary oil with water in a spray bottle and use it around your home. Before you start using rosemary oil, here are some precautions to keep in mind. Always dilute rosemary oil with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin. Avoid contact with eyes and sensitive areas. Conduct a patch test to ensure there are no allergic reactions. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult a healthcare professional before use. Use only high-quality, therapeutic-grade essential oils. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to rosemary oil. Whether it's for your hair, skin, or even mental clarity, rosemary oil is a must-have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Share this video with someone who needs to know about the wonders of rosemary oil. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.